This is Bridgett Hall with the Florida Living Real Estate team. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching the video here of 22442 Front Beach Road. It is this section of the home right here. It abuts this home right here next to it. It's 22444 Front Beach Road. Right here you can see this is where you would enter in Casa del Mar, and right there's the beach. That's Front Beach Road right there. And this neighborhood is a small, intimate neighborhood comprised of 8 actual buildings and 16 residences. This is the residence that we will be going into. In my opinion, it is front row center. You can walk straight out of here and it's got the best view in the house, and that is undisputed. If you walk right in here, you'll notice that during the hurricane we did have some shrubbery that was removed, but this neighborhood does have a master plan for developing the landscape. And so what you'll see here are those bushes and that ornamental grass right here being placed and creating a nice buffer. Let's go ahead and walk right in. This is not the front entrance of the home, but this is the patio that belongs to the lower bedroom. And I'll go ahead and go around the home and show you what it looks like from the main entrance and the rear entrance. So this is the first bedroom that you see when you walk through the front door. This home does have 3 bedrooms and 4 baths plus a loft area at the 4th floor level, and it comes equipped with a 2-car garage and elevator. It's absolutely incredible. This has never been a rental since it's been owned. We do have rental projections of $45,000. I've seen $60,000 from another local real estate company, and I am in the process of getting yet another rental projection. So what's really neat is that you've got each of these bedrooms having their very own closet, and they have a pretty deep closet space. This unit does come completely furnished and stocked with linens. The only exclusion would be this bronze statue here. So as you can see, the lower level, you can literally walk right out of your door and right over to the beach. It's a couple hundred steps and you're right there. Some folks choose to have a golf cart. I don't find that necessary. I think you just need maybe a wagon to pull your beach chairs, and it's a great thing. This will also be a gated neighborhood within a few months. It's already been pre-approved and prepaid for by the association. There are no special assessments pending as of today. January, I believe it's January 10th. I'm calling the elevator, and that is this door right here. This right here would be your main entrance. And please excuse the relaxed nature of this video. This is your main entrance. We have a little storage bench here, and this door would be the mechanical room for the elevator. Then I'll go ahead and go around this side here. And it does have a 2-car garage. It's amazingly spacious. And this is the pool. So the HOA is pretty low here. I believe it is in the neighborhood of $358 monthly. Paid, I believe, $1076 quarterly. And this permits you the pool. And again, we are having here, the owners rather, are having palms come in, and that will aid the shade value here, as well as some additional bits of landscaping, So this is the rear of the home, and as you can see, they are adjoined, but they do have the firewall in between the two. This is the home 22444. It was just purchased. And then we have this side here. That is a 9x9 balcony. It's great. It's off of the 2nd level guest room. So we'll just go right around here. And this would be the way that you'd enter the home, or you could just drive up into the garage, and I'll show you how spacious the garage is. It does also have an extra little hidden location for your this is the automatic light we got set up in here. There we go. Storage. That's what I wanted to say. There you go. Okay. And you can see how spacious the garage is. This is a terrific alternative to having a single family home out here because you do have the HOA, which does take care of your landscaping. And that goes a long way when you do not live here. Anybody who lives here, hiring out for all those things can be a real headache. And here you don't have that. And you will have a gated, like I said, gated entrance. It's going to be very beautiful. Ornamental type gate, and that will come with a pedestrian gate as well, and that is available for your review. So I'll just go ahead and get in here. Has a weight limit capacity of 950. These owners do have a bit of a, let me turn the light up here. They do have a maintenance package that is from a local elevator company, and that, let me go ahead and show you this. This is where you would do your laundry. It's main level, and again, you've got that elevator that goes up to the 3rd floor, and that is where the main living space is, and that would be the level where you really hang out and take the most advantage of the Gulf views from there. So what I really do love about this house is you do not have any carpet except for on the upper level and these bedrooms. So you do have this beautiful hardwood and tile in most of the area, which really makes a difference if you do intend on renting the home, because then you aren't really staining anything. So this is a relatively newer carpet. Again, it does come completely furnished. The 2nd level is dedicated to all bedrooms. So this little area here, and these are hurricane strength doors, high impact, so you do have to use some muscle to open them up. But you have this really cool little hangout spot here that's private. Again, every bedroom has its own bathroom. Really neat little vantage point. Does come completely furnished, all electronics. This is the 2nd bedroom on the 2nd floor level. Pretty simple here, very clean. And then there's a little closet in here. The 2nd rack for hanging clothes. All right, let's go ahead and check out the Gulf side bedroom. It's so pretty. So much natural light here. You really don't even need the lights on. I turned them on just to help the video, but you can see here you can have, there's a bit of a peekaboo Gulf view, and that's Front Beach Road right there. And we are on the west end, so you could really just hop on a golf cart and go over to Rosemary or 30A if you really wanted to. Now keep in mind you would have to go over the bridge, so it is a short drive, maybe 5-7 minutes, and you're there. Maybe you don't want to take a golf cart, but you get the point. You are about 10 minutes from Pier Park via Front Beach Road. And this is yet another closet. This one's a bit bigger. It's pretty cool. And yet another bathroom. So on the 3rd level, we'll head on up. And again, this nice hardwood is throughout, all the way up until you get up to the kitchen area. And so here's our kitchen. Awesome little bar space here to hang out. Get granite. There is a half bath, so this is 4 bathrooms. Sweet little half bath. It's great. One of the reasons the current owners picked this home was obviously the Gulf views are incredible, but it did have enough space and enough bathrooms that really made it easy to have their daughters over and family members. You know, getting ready is a lot easier when you have a lot of bathrooms, a lot of space. It's an awesome place to hang out, and obviously we do have gorgeous Gulf views. I'll step out onto this balcony and give you a look. Really pretty. I'm getting the Gulf breeze here on the patio. All right, we'll go on in. Check out the living room here. One of my favorite locations, we'll just head upstairs. Let me go ahead and show you it. We've got TVs everywhere. Comes with the home. And the furniture is really great here, very clean. A lot of it was replaced at purchase, cleaned up a bit. So this is the loft area, and they were able to situate some bunks up here. So if you're a kid, you're lucky because you get this really cool hangout spot. I've seen these turned into office locations, or you know, a bar area. It's really nice to have this little bird perch and balcony up here. Very cool. So there's our beautiful Gulf view. Straight on out. It's great. We've got a little TV setup up here. All right, there is your tour of 22442 Front Beach Road. And I'd love to just end it out here, right outside on the balcony. If you have any questions, please let me know. In the comment section in the video, you'll find a link to the MLS advertisement, as well as some more pertinent information about the property and how you can reach us here at the Florida Living Real Estate Team. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day.